We're going to make a pink flamingo candle. I'm just using one of the long jar candles from the Dollar Tree. I picked one up in pink, and these at my Dollar Trees are now $1.50. This is one of the few craft supplies that I've noticed has went up at my Dollar Tree, but I think it's still worth it for $1.50. I just removed the plastic label and I'm using some adhesive remover to get rid of all of the glue that was on there. I cut out some pink flamingos using some Cricut vinyl. I will include the SVG for the silhouette of the pink flamingo. I cut mine out about 1.5 inches wide for sizing, and I could do 5 on a row here on my Cricut Joy Extra. And so I only did 5. I probably could have fit 6, but that's okay. This is a really easy pink flamingo silhouette, really easy to weed, as you can see. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use some transfer paper and put the little flamingo silhouettes onto the pink candle. I cut it out in white because I thought that that would be a nice contrast. But if you have some like deeper pink Cricut vinyl, that would be really cute too. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these. I thought I could randomly space these out on here. And I'm going to also be adding one of the little pink lei bracelets to this. It's a fun way to decorate the Dollar Tree candles. So this is a fun way you can just decorate it straight in the jar. You don't have to melt it down or do anything else with it. And this turned out so cute and fun. And if you could find some pink flamingo stickers from the Dollar Tree, you could avoid using a cutting machine, but I wasn't able to really find anything at my Dollar Tree, but I have seen them before. That would be another option. And as you can see, I'm just staggering one up and one down, working my way around. Here on the back, I'm going to end up with a couple right next to each other without one at the bottom, but it's the back of the candle, so it doesn't really matter. And that looks pretty good. So easy. This is what I'm talking about. This lei had in its accessory kit. So it's got like the bracelets, the crown, that kind of stuff too with the lei. And so I just slide that right on there. It was a little bit too big for the candle. So what I'm going to do is just find the knot that's on there and tie the little elastic string a little bit shorter so it fits my candle. Then I'm going to finish it off with some pink spring ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is pink and white. I realized I didn't have any pink flamingo ribbon. With all the short living items I have from Dollar Tree, you would think I would have that, but I guess they've never really had it. I guess I can't really remember using it. But I thought this matched perfectly with the pink and white. So I just hot glued that to the top of my candle. That way I'll be able to burn it. There's nothing that's going to be flammable in the way. That's why I put the little lei there on the bottom. And this was a quick and easy pink flamingo DIY, a little pink flamingo candle.